Trapped in the game world, the world is very strange. I try to find a way, but couldn't get out. One of my players and good friends has passed away. This song is for the game maker, and the animation maker is zhugecraft. Yes, that's me. We are trapped in a very confusing game world, and there is no way out. We are like slaves told to continue working, but we still look for a way out, so we can be human. You think this is like the amazing digital circus? You are wrong. And at the end of the story, we still haven't found a way out. Instead, you are the one who lost many friends.